On our recent journey to Hood River, we made a pit stop in Portland at the Columbia Gorge Model Railroad Club. Oz and I are both amateur model train enthusiasts and wanted to visit the museum during their holiday open house in November to see the layout in full display. The club has been in operation for over 75 years. It began in 1947 in one of the members' basements. It is now housed at 2505 North Vancouver Avenue in Portland, with a layout space of 58 by 70 feet. Most of the vignette depicts parts of Portland and the Columbia River Gorge. It boasts as one of the oldest and largest model railroad layouts in North America. It takes over 30 volunteers to operate the layout in a single day. One volunteer must have spotted our enthusiasm for all things train and miniatures and invited us on a backstage tour of the operations. He had been volunteering with the club for over 40 to 50 years. We got to take a tour of the operations underneath the main display and get a peek into their centralized traffic control room. The Model Club is operated by many volunteers. It truly seems like a club that anyone can join that has a passion for trains and miniature landscaping. There's something for everyone to enjoy depending on your interests. Overall, this was an amazing experience. You don't need to have any prior knowledge of trains or modeling to enjoy this layout. We hope you get a chance to visit the layout in person. It usually runs through November and into the first weekend of December.